Besides pairing your rally power meter with the cycling computer, you can also pair it with the Garmin Connect app on your phone. In this video, we will use iPhone for demonstration, but the process on Android is similar. Open Garmin Connect on your phone. Select More on the lower right corner. Select Garmin Devices. Then select Add Device. Rotate the crank arm with the power meter. Select Connected. If your phone did not detect the power meter, you can search Rally and enter the pedal ID on the power meter to pair. After pairing, please set the crank length on Garmin Connect. Then calibrate the power meter. You can choose to turn on or off the Auto Zero function. If you want to upgrade your Rally Series 100 to Rally Series 200, you can add the right pedal. Select Link on the right pedal, then enter the pedal ID. Click Link Pedal. Then you have finished pairing with Rally Series 200. Please make sure the green light of the right pedal is on, and calibrate again. Finally, if you want to remove the device, go back to the main screen of the device. Select the three dot icon on the upper right corner. Select Remove. The Rally power meter will disappear from your device list. And that's it. Thanks for watching.